Welcome back, students. Let's conclude today's part. In today's class, we have started with the new lesson perimeter and area. We have also discussed few examples regarding perimeter and area. What is perimeter? To find out the addition or the sum of the outer boundary of given closed figure is the perimeter of that figure. And what is area? Area means to find out the measurement of the given closed figure internally. That means to find out the measurement of the given surface which is covered inside the closed figure. That is the area. Perimeter and area are completely different than each other. They have their unique formulas. The formula to find out the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus 2 into B. Regarding area, area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side also equal to side square. And area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. You can also write it as L into B. We have solved few examples on perimeter and area from the textbook, as well as I have shown you some examples on my notebook. Let's turn to the example of area on page number 81. A rectangular garden is 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. We have a rectangular garden whose length is 40 meter and breadth is 30 meters. A 2 meter wide path is to be paved inside the garden along its boundary using a tile 25 cm by 20 cm in size. How many such tiles will be required? Now, to find out the number of tiles required, first of all, we have to find out the area to be paved. Paved means only that much region part we have to pave the tiles. We have to fix the tiles of the given measurement 25 cm by 20 cm. Now how much area is to be paved? That is the boundary side of the given rectangle. To find out the area, first we have to find out the area of the outer rectangle. Also find out the area of the inner rectangle. Subtract inner rectangle from outer rectangle, we will get the area to be paved. Okay, now after we get the area to be paved, then find out the number of tiles with the formula number of tiles is equal to total area upon area of one paver. Answer will be 5280 tiles. This was regarding first example. Clear? Let us now discuss another example from textbook page number 82. A rectangular playground is 65 meters long and 30 meters wide. The playground's length is 65 meters and the breadth is 30 meters. A pathway of 1.5 meters wide goes all around the ground. Now, considering the first example which we discussed just now, we have the garden paved inside. So we had to take the inner rectangle. Now in this example, we are asked the pathway of 1.5 meter wide goes all around the ground. That means we have to consider now 1.5 meters wide outside the rectangle. We are getting two rectangles now. Same way as we have solved the first example as we discussed it, we will find out the areas of both the rectangles. Inside rectangle, outside rectangle, then subtract from them whatever remains will be the area of that pathway. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you.